Have you ever had a pet that was so wild, it caused chaos in your house? That's Indiana. A wild dog who turned a family's home upside down. He was always causing trouble and even made his mom bleed and bit a kid's ear. One day, he dragged Shane, a kid in the family, across the floor by his ankle. The mom was scared and didn't know what to do. Victoria, a dog trainer, stepped in and taught the family how to calm Indiana with games like red light, green light, and fun toy-finding activities. These changes helped Indiana behave better, making the family happy to safely play with him again. For more pet care tips, check out the Furrpals Payday Exclusive Bundle, perfect for dog and cat owners. Visit their website for more info or grab the free book Dog Training Revolution. Thanks for watching.